today is Friday.
It's Friday then.
It's Saturday, Sunday.
Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday again. It's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday again. It's Sunday, Sunday, what? It's Friday again. It's Sunday, Sunday, what?
Finally, I managed to sleep like a few hours. I slept a lot. There's the morning luxury style of washing dishes of Zaytoun. Joe is gonna fish some octopus. And this is always a surprise. So I wake up, I come outside and oh, this is a different spot. And it's very, very beautiful. Look at this. Paradise 5.0.
Friday then. It's Saturday, Sunday, what?
Saturday, Sunday, what?
What?
Deia! We are in Deia! Let's explore this thing! Looking good. This is the most paradise place I've been to. This is quietly remote, so check this interesting way to bring suppliers to the cafe over here. All the team arrived. Time to get the drone. It's beer time. Cheers time.
Everybody cheers. One, two, three.
We quickly went to the boat to get some stuff like hats, sunglasses, batteries and so on. And now we're gonna get the taxi and we're gonna go, to explore this place. That's the plan for now.
Bueno, sí, estamos aquí barachando, descargando. ¡Ajá! ¡Sabroso!
We just arrived by taxi to the main village of Deia. They have amazing houses over here.
More than friends, yeah. You know I'm here.
so cute.
There's a surprise present for each one of us on that bag. Let's see what we get.
So hold me tight through the night.
Oh yeah! Thank you, thank you.
Si quieres te lo digo en portugués.
¿Portugués? Te lo digo en portugués. ¿Soy yo?
Es que me encantas tanto, me encantas tanto, me encantas tanto, niña tú me tienes loco.
Delícia, delícia, assim você me mata. Ai, se eu te pego, ai, se eu te pego.
We had an amazing dinner. I am so full. Lunch, dinner. What time is it? I don't even know. Show now, so he's not asking what is inside.
We got room from Mallorca.
Pero es bueno.
Girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Coming now,
Amazonia, gracias. Así entro y pa' entro. Grande.
So this lunch hashtag snack hashtag I don't know dinner, it's still going. We had shots and now we are having drinks. So yeah. It's a very long lunch. I believe someone ordered a taxi and we are waiting for a taxi. And I just got a shower from some gin tonic. Jesus Christ. It's 7. We are leaving the restaurant at 7. We came for lunch. It was an interesting dinner. And now some of us will go walk to the boats and some of us will go by taxi. I look like Indiana Jones. Look at this Indiana Jones team.
Indiana Jonas.
Indiana Jonas.
Jonas with the apostrophe at the end.
The plan now is to get some ice cubes and some drinks for the party tonight. We call the party Mojito Party. Show me your shirt. Deia.
It's like Lidl.
Equipo Indiana Jones. Todo bien. Okay, so boat is not working very well. We need to go all in one trip.
The motor of this dinghy is not working very well. It just stopped a few times and it mentioned that everybody needs to go in one go. Everybody plus the groceries. It was very heavy everything, and guess what? Yes, the motor stopped halfway. And well, we had our Titanic moment. Check this out.
Yeah, look at this.
This is the best.
Give me the groceries.
Okay, wait.
Hold it, please.
No.
Get the ice. Get the ice. The ice.
Cuidado, que esto pesa.
No, he's somewhere.
Questo sei un coglione.
Ok, allora.
Take the boat.
No.
Avocado.
Guarda, mi luna è una in camicia.
What an adventure. The motor stopped, the dinghy got full of water. I had all my cameras and stuff inside. Crazy. Demasiado people in the dinghy. And now they are trying to take out all the water.
¿Quién ha sido?
From the dinghy out. Basically, we were kind of forced to go all in one because he said that this motor was not working very well, and it was the last trip he was gonna do. I didn't want to lose the drone, the phone, the camera, the lenses, the batteries, the power banks. And we finally arrived to this port. We're gonna stay here, get some energy for tomorrow, and there's a bit of DIY over here, trying to fix the electrical cable to go over here to charge our boat.
Is everyone up for the mojitos?
We need to fix the electricity.
Electromechanical works, right?
What's going on here, Oscar?
Well, what's going on? So after many things, this is broken. As soon as there is not insulation in the cable, there is loss of tension. If there is not loss of tension, we cannot charge the batteries. Then we are fucked up for Valencia, so we have to fix it. But it's not a difficult thing. Just the fact is that we don't have tape. You can solve it with a bike wheel, burning it. There are different ways to do it.
Bike wheel?
Yeah, I did it in Africa. So you take the wheel, the caoutchouc of the wheel, and you burn it around the cable, and it makes the same effect, electrical insulation.
Oh wow! Africa. I've been laughing since this holiday started. What are you doing here?
You know what we are doing here, right? Girls are cooking, I'm making mojitos.
Oh yeah!
So these are mojitos panoramic style.
Nice technique, huh?
Yeah. I'm called panoramics, you know, it's like
360. And now the sad part, doing my luggage. Look at the mess that is going on. And it's raining. Time to have a shower in the port. Finally, it's been a while.
Proper shower. Yeah.
Nice boats over here, eh? I mean, this worth millions, but our is the most fun of all.
Rapper number one!
What time is it?
I actually don't know what time is
Okay,
it.
so
Es que me gustas tanto. Thank you guys.
We felt